in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your Lenovo laptop back to default factory settings and remove all of your personal files. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, select System. On older versions of Windows, you may need to select Update and Security. And then on the right panel, scroll down and select Recovery. And then underneath Recovery Options, select Reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows. And then once you select the Reset PC option, you would select Remove Everything, remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings, and then follow through with the on-screen wizard for that. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.